How about that Hard Knocks Express? You got that radio on back there?
If I had to guess, I'd say he doesn't have the radio on.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm thinking. Gotta give him a fair shot, you know, 2 calls, maybe one last call, but after that, I'd say he isn't.
What's wrong with the fella?
Nah, nothing's wrong. He's just riding in a nice truck. Wanted to give him some flowers. I'm cruising in a car with a bunch of cameras on it, so, you know, just doing a little documentary of guys out here running the road, moving our stuff around.
Oh, cool. All right, well, you be safe.
Yes, sir. You too. Appreciate you.